Available Jan-Feb March and April 2026 and off-season June through Dec. 2025. Second floor condo at Stony Brook Club South, an elevator building, open floor plan, vinyl flooring and main living areas, granite counters and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Dining area is open to the living area, large smart TV, and comfortable seating. The primary bedroom has king bed, a sliding glass door out onto the lanai, a walk-in closet, granite counter and walk-in shower. The second bedroom has double bed and twin bed, making it perfect for those occasional guests. The glassed and screened lanai extends the living space and is a welcoming spot to relax and enjoy picturesque views across the lake and surroundings. The unit provides a convenient inside laundry, one covered parking space, a storage locker, and the community pool and tennis courts are right across the parking lot. The golf or social membership are available for transfer. Check with Clubhouse for fee schedule, allowing full use of all amenities, including access to the newly modernized golf course, a pristine pool, tennis courts, pickleball, and a clubhouse with a full-service restaurant and much more. The community borders the Legacy Walking and Biking Trail, is less than 15 minutes from the sugary sandy beaches of Siesta Key, the village shops and restaurants, and a short drive to downtown Sarasota to enjoy the culinary and cultural experiences that Sarasota has to offer.